Hi, this is Rod, your real estate guru. And our topic for today, I'm very excited about because I've got a guest here with me. The topic for today is videotaping your own home. That is taking people on a video tour of your home. The power of pictures, of course, fantastic. The power of videotape is what our topic is today. So Karen is the principal broker, Mount Hood Realty, has a team of about a dozen agents working for her, and we're here to talk about the power of video. Karen, let's start off the conversation with a basic question of, do you recommend that people selling their home do a video?
I always recommend a video of the home and a professionally done video. They can do an excellent job. They work on things like lighting and whatnot, which you can see here. There's bright spots in our video and whatnot, but when you have a professional do it, they're able to film the home, whether the rooms are dark or not, or if you have a lot of light contrast, and do wonders for the room. Of course, though, when you are going to have a professional come and do video taping or even photography of your home, it's really, really important for you to make sure that you have all the lights on and all the windows open. If the photographer wants less lighting for some reason, they will let you know. So videotaping of a home is awesome. Video tours is what is now expected. So please do them. Have them done. Have a link on the RMLS system.
So, Karen, there is a new model out there for the professionals that videotape a home and will walk people around the home. I think it's called a Magnaport or a it's a style of videoing where they can walk people up the stairs and the people can click on the video and walk themselves around. What do you think of this product?
There's a lot of great technology out there. So it really depends on the style of your home, how hot the market is and whatnot, which type of product you want to use. But Rod is talking about the Metaport program, and they are able to take photographs of the home in a manner so that when the viewer from their own home are viewing the pictures, they can click on the pictures and basically get a step-by-step view of your home. So, for example, there might be a picture of the home, but there's a staircase to the right. It's very similar to like using Google, where you can click on it and you can actually turn the picture and see what's around the corner, what's around the wall, or what's up the stairs. There's programs that give you measurements as well of the home, so you have an idea of the size of the rooms and the layout. Those are great programs, especially if your home is a little confusing, not the standard ranch style type home. Those are wonderful things to also offer as a service.
Do we currently have buyers that are solely relying upon video now to purchase a home?
Well, we've always had a few buyers that have done that throughout the years. But really, now that we've been through or in COVID and not quite out of COVID, it's something that's become really, really popular. Those that have health issues, those that are concerned about either passing or getting the virus, but also that is added to the population that aren't in town. These people are able to view these videos while they're on vacation, or they may even live out of state, and get a really good idea whether they're interested in making the trip to view the home in person, or if they want to make an offer sight unseen based on these videos. So it's important that the videos come across and look excellent.
It's amazing. So let's say the person doesn't want to hire a professional. They've got a decent camera or an iPhone or Android that they trust and they can work it well. What's the best way to take a video tour of a home? Are there recommendations for how to do it?
Well, one of the biggest recommendations, again, is lighting. You need to open up all the windows, the shades and whatnot, and turn on all the lights before you start videotaping. Then you need to start somewhere where it's a natural beginning, whether that is coming in from the garage or from the front door. Where would you naturally come into the home, or what has really good eye appeal? So oftentimes we're able to stage the front stoop and whatnot, so it looks quite beautiful. And so I would come in there, have the door already ajar a little bit so that you can come through the door without stumbling unless you have an assistant, and then walk through your home with a natural flow. So if you have an open floor plan, this is awesome because they can see usually from the living room to the kitchen and the dining area. But if not, you need to think out your video before you press go so that you can proceed throughout the house and make it look nice and smooth and logical to the viewer that does not know the layout of your home. And so then it might also be helpful for you to do a transition in your video, or for you to do a slight speak over when you change like levels of the home or go outside, so people understand I'm going to turn right, and on the right side there's a large flight of steps. So I'll join you again when I get to the top of the steps for the rest of the video, type of thing, so that you're not, stumbling over toys or the steps or trying to get a gate open that's normally shut. Again, it's all in the planning.
So a couple more questions here. There's so much content here when it comes to doing a video, but I want to hit fisheye lenses, because some of our even phones, you can put them on a fisheye mode now, but the complaints from buyers are that it's deceptive. Are there good times to use fisheye and bad times to use fisheye?
Yeah, there are a lot of complaints, and legitimately so. People often will use fisheye lenses, like to take pictures of backyards. It makes the backyard look larger, and then when the potential buyer comes to the home, they're very disappointed, especially if that's the feature that they came for. And so it isn't advantageous to take a picture with the goal to deceive and to make the room look a lot larger, or the yard or whatnot. But there are occasions that it's important to be able to do that. And one of those, the thing that comes up the most often, is a bathroom. You can't get back far enough to get a good view of many bathrooms. And so therefore, a fisheye will give you more of a range of the bathroom by standing near the entrance of the bathroom. Other small rooms, closets, pantries, if you're trying to really photograph the qualities in that room for any particular reason, then that is a good idea to have a fisheye, or to at least take pictures with two types of lenses and see how it comes out, so that it sells the home in its best light, but also isn't deceiving.
One more area I want to hit, Karen, are improvements. Mm-hmm. Many homeowners take time to improve their home over the years, and they will have had recent improvements that can be quite expensive. Things like furnaces that are difficult to see in any home. Also things to basements, crawl spaces, insulations. Do you include these on videos or skip over them? How do you do these types of areas?
Mm-hmm. Well, oftentimes we get requests from people saying, can you send us more pictures? I didn't see the blah, blah, blah. Oftentimes it's like the garage. And those are intentional, because these are oftentimes places that extra boxes are stored. Like if the family's busy moving, they have all their stuff stored out in the garage. But the same thing with the furnace and whatnot. It oftentimes is in a small room or a completely dark area. So to get photographs of that is difficult. But if you just put in a brand new furnace, that might be one of your selling points. And so you might want to figure out a way to get good lighting in there and to show it off as best as possible.
Awesome. Karen, thank you so much for your time today. This gives us a good touch appeal as to video and actually giving someone a tour of your home. It is powerful. One of the most powerful tools we have now is video, and being able to reach out to people whilst they're still in their home, even on vacation. Thank you so much. I am Rod, your real estate guru. You please go to my channel at your-realestateguru.com. Please take time and like the video. It's very meaningful to me. And of course, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.
Thank you. Take care.